being an Indian, we do maximum preparation in the last, guys. So same thing you have to apply here also. Just 10 days are left for the Symbiosis Set General 2020 exam, which is on 31st of May. So in this video, I'll be talking about what are the major topics you're supposed to prepare which have a high weightage in the exam, and how should you strategize your preparation for next 10 days. So guys, next 10 days, you have to play like an IPL. Very first, prepare all those topics which have a high weightage, and this you have to apply to all the section, whether you are preparing for the English, logic, maths, or the general awareness. And keep writing the mock test, guys. So after writing the mock test, you will get to know these two areas. One is the speed, second is the weak areas. So speed wise, if you are good, that means you are prepared well that topic, and the topic which you are not able to perform well, because those are your weak areas. So you have to work upon your weak areas, guys. So you have to work on your speed and convert your all the weak areas into the strong areas. These two parameters will help you to maximize your score in the mock test, guys. So those who have already started your preparation, well and good, but those who have just started and lacking in their preparation, so we have launched for all of them Set General mini course, guys, and where you have to watch all the video lectures. So in this program, all the GK's videos you have to watch, approximate 12 hours you have to devote for this section. Overall 6-month GK is enough for the preparation, so you have to watch all the current affairs videos. English, all the tricks you have to learn, guys. So 6 hours will take to complete your English syllabus. Logical reasoning, approximate 12 hours. Quantitative aptitude and DI, approximate 15 hours. So after joining this course, you can complete entire videos within 45 hours, guys. So daily if you are devoting around 8 to 10 hours, then also within 5 to 6 days you will complete the entire syllabus. So you have to watch videos, and at the same time you have to practice the question, guys. But do keep yourself fresh, keep on taking the tea and coffee, keep chips or any kind of a snacks with you, guys, to avoid the hunger. If you get bored, then you can listen to the music also. So once you join this course, how your portal will look, let me show you that also. So once you join, guys, this is how your portal will look. If you open the quantitative aptitude, all these speed maths videos you have to watch. After then percentage, profit and loss, ratio, partnership. So arithmetic, as I said earlier, you have to focus more on the arithmetic part, guys. After then data interpretation and all. Okay, so kindly watch all these videos. So once you're done with the math, then go to the logical reasoning. Logical reasoning, all these topics are there. You have to watch all these videos based on the logical reasoning. And the dominating topic which comes in the logical reasoning is nothing but the linear arrangement, circular arrangement and distribution, your analytical part, guys. Then comes your English, all the grammar rules, sentence improvement and correction, close test, your fill in the blanks, paragraph jumper, reading comprehension, all these video you have to watch. After then you can see here abstract reasoning, critical reasoning, then DI part is there, data comparison. Current affairs is very very important, guys. As I said earlier, if you click on the Jan month, so there are 4 videos week wise, so you have to watch all the week wise videos, guys. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So likewise there are the Feb, March, April, all these videos you have to watch. And there is also VAT videos, so how to write the VAT, what should be the structure of the VAT, strategy for the VAT, and essay writing sample is also given to you. Kindly watch all these videos, guys. And also there is a mock test. If you click on the mock test, so this is how the mock test will open. So there are the sectional mock test also, then there is a full length mock series. So do write all these mock tests, guys, before you go to the actual exam. And very important, guys, if you go to the ebook section, just kindly go to the current affairs. There are the 1000 question based on the important question. Do download this PDF, guys, and go through it. Very very important, 1000 question current affairs. Okay, so just go through all these questions. You will be surely getting the question from this PDF. And same way you have to go to the static GK. If I click here, then there are 1000 questions based on the static GK. Kindly go through all this important 1000 question, guys, which is very very important. So this Set General mini course is available on menuedu.com/bb-enters. If you will go to the full course program, you will find this program. Further I'll guide you how to join this program. So guys, in GK and current affairs section, as I said earlier, as I shown you, 1000 question current affairs you have to download and you have to go through, and then same way 1000 question static GK, and last 6 month video you have to watch based on the current affairs. Okay, so this is what you have to do for the GK, guys, because maximum student का marks GK में नहीं आएगा. If you go through all these resources, guys, then you will be rocking in this area. You have to watch all the video lectures from your Set General course. You have to watch all the video lectures, guys. After then practice. So if you have a books for the practice, well and good. Otherwise you can join the ebooks section program, that you will get the question based on the topic. At least 15 to 20 question you have to practice. Same way, guys, for reasoning also, you have to watch all the video based on the analytical reasoning and your logical reasoning, and then practice your question. Learn all the shortcuts and the tricks with regards to the logical section. In English, you have to watch all the video lectures, guys, and learn all the tricks based on the paragraph jumble, reading comprehension and your close test. And do watch all the video lecture based on the grammar rule, guys, because based on the grammar rule there will be question from error detection and the sentence improvement. So guys, you have to log into the website menuedu.com. After then just go to the buy online BBA entrance. If you'll go to the BBA entrance, here you can find the full course program. So click on the full course program. In that, just you have to go to the second row, set general symbiosis mini course 2020. In this program you will be getting the video lectures, ebooks and the mock test series also guys. There will be 10 mock tests. So this program will be sufficient in terms of your preparation for next 10 days. And if you want to join only mock test, then there is a mock test program. Just go to the mock test program, and if you are lacking in particular section, then go for the sectional courses, and same way ebooks is there guys. Whichever program you want to join, so kindly go through accordingly guys. So make your routine with regards to the each section daily basis and start working on it guys. So full course program will include your video, mock test and ebook. So this program will be sufficient for your preparation, but if you want to join only mock test or sectional or ebooks, so accordingly you can visit to the menuedu.com/bb entrance. Same link I have given in the description guys. You can check the description, and do hit the subscribe button guys to get more videos about the symbiosis. All the very best for the preparation. Thank you.